G'day, I'm Melissa Shannon, founder of digitalscrapbookinghq.com. Welcome to the Christmas album flip through series. In this series, I'm going to be digging out all of my December daily, holiday faves, Christmas albums in photo book and scrapbook form. And I'm going to be walking you through these books and sharing what I loved about them and what I'd do differently if I was creating them today. So let's take a look back at 2009 for our first album. This is an album that I created recently, I think probably 2017, not totally sure. I made this using Shutterfly Make My Book. And if you've taken my Simple Family Yearbook, you'll know exactly how I did it. But I hadn't done a December daily for 2009. I had enrolled in Holidays in Hand by Jessica Sprague. If you remember her, Jessica was one of the original digital scrapbooking instructors from back in the day. She wrote for Digital Scrapbook magazine, I'm pretty sure, and had her own website, which is still around. But she was very influential in my early days of digital scrapbooking. So I had collected a lot of information and written journaling about the holiday season in 2009, but we ended up traveling interstate. So with a 6-month-old and our first baby, it was a bit of a challenge. So I never documented it except for 1 or 2 pages that I had made. And so several years later, I ended up creating this book. Now this is an 8x8 photo book from Shutterfly. And starts off with some family photos we had done. Not everything's totally in chronological order here. Probably should have put some more dates in, but we'll get to that in the what I would change. So because we lived in Kalgoorlie and we'd always travel to Perth for Christmas, we wanted to put up our Christmas tree early. And then we picked up our new car. And it's funny, a lot of people blank out their cars' number plates. Ours is kind of hilarious, so it is a feature. We picked up this car and I think that was early December. So then I documented our life group Christmas, and then this would have been Christmas carols at Heathridge in Perth. And we've kind of jumped straight from, we completely jumped over our trip to Townsville. So we got the car, we went to Townsville for a week or so, which is in North Queensland. And then I jump over to Christmas carols and then straight to the 21st of December, documenting our December birthdays, seeing the Christmas lights, and now Emily's first Christmas. And then back again for New Year's Eve, back in Kalgoorlie. So there was quite a lot of travelling done in this album, so it's not surprising it took me many years to actually finish it. This one, if I was going to change it, I would probably maybe add some more journaling. I'm pretty happy with the actual brightness of most of the photos. This one maybe could be upped a bit, considering they were all taken in 2009, but we did have a pretty decent mega zoom camera. And maybe the only other thing I would change is not have it be blue on the front cover. For me, that seems a bit odd. But, you know, why not mix it up a bit? What do you think? Have you documented Christmas after the date? I'd love to hear what you want to do. And if you do have an old Christmas that's not documented, why don't you check out Simple Family Yearbook? I show you the process I used here to create this book and several other books to document those missing years in my albums.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified of when I upload new videos. If you'd like to get started on your own photo book today, head to digitalscrapbookinghq.com/SFY and join me for the Simple Family Yearbook class.